voice interactive interface named Wiki, developed with the help of NI LabVIEW software. This interface can communicate to exoskeleton robots, semi-autonomous robots, and various other machines. Various applications of this project are military, surveillance, medical sector, industrial sector, smart house, education, research, and entertainment. An exoskeleton is a powered armor which is a mobile machine worn by a person. The main function of powered exoskeleton is to assist the wearer by boosting their strength and endurance. This is our exoskeleton mechanical structure. These are high torque power window motors, and this is a potentiometer which is connected to the shaft of the motor by a custom designed coupler. So this potentiometer is acting as a joint encoder, and the value of this potentiometer is fed into the microcontroller. Here microcontroller, it controls the respective motors by sending signals to the motor drivers. We have a protective fuse circuit over here. Now we will be starting our VI.
Hello, sir. Good to see you at work. Please define my operation mode.
Military mode.
Starting military mode.
Exoskeleton mode.
Starting, sir.
This is the front panel for exoskeleton mode. On the top we have two knobs. Green represents the potentiometer reading and blue represents the flex sensor reading, which is a reference value. And a command box shows the signal being sent to the motors in the form of clockwise, counterclockwise or halt. Depending upon the change in the flex sensor readings, the motor will rotate, and the potentiometer coupled with the motor act as a position feedback, which is responsible for the motion manipulation. The waveform chart plots a flex sensor reading and potentiometer readings. Now this is Wiki in medical mode. So we have a EEG sensor from NeuroSky, which is measuring the brain parameters of the pilot, and this EEG sensor is connected to the LabVIEW by Bluetooth. Next we have pulse rate sensor and temperature sensor over here to measure the temperature and pulse of the pilot. The readings of these sensors are fed into the microcontroller, and microcontroller further processes it and displays on the LabVIEW through voice commands. Medical mode.
Starting medical mode.
Wiki calibrate the sensors.
Starting sensors calibration. Sir, this may take few seconds. Calibration complete.
Wiki, what is my body temperature?
Measuring body temperature, sir. Sir, your body temperature is 30.2 degrees Celsius.
Wiki, what is my pulse rate?
Measuring pulse rate, sir. Sir, your pulse rate is 54 pulses per minute.
Wiki, monitor my brain activities.
Connecting to EEG sensor via Bluetooth. Sir, the EEG sensor signal strength is 100%. Now mirroring your brain parameters. Sir, your brain reading are steady.
Vicky, it is an emergency situation.
Sir, I have sent an email to your recipients with your body parameter reading. Very soon they will contact you.
This is a miniature robot having a wireless camera attached on it. This robot is controlled wirelessly through voice commands using LabVIEW. A wireless radio frequency module is connected with the microcontroller. L293D is a motor driver IC used to provide differential drive to the motors. The video output from the wireless camera on the robot is seen on the screen. And here is the ground station. In surveillance mode, XP module at ground station is connected through USB with the laptop. Based on the voice commands, trigger signals are sent to the remote surveillance robot. Surveillance mode.
Starting surveillance mode.
Forward.
Moving forward.
Right.
Turning right.
Left.
Turning left.
Brake. Stop.
Brakes applied.
Forward.
Moving forward.
Left.
Turning left.
Stop.
Brakes applied.
Forward.
Moving forward.
Stop.
Brakes applied.
Terminate surveillance mode.
Terminating surveillance mode.
Vicky, you there?
At your service, sir.
Industrial mode.
In industrial sector, I can add as a perfect HMI, that is human-machine interface. I can make job easier. Also, I can help in fault diagnosis, analyzing and debugging problems.
In Smart House mode, the speech user interface can be used for home automation and house surveillance. So in Smart House mode, this is the setup. This is an AC relay board and this is a microcontroller connected through a USB cable to the computer. And this is the lamp. So the signal generated by the microcontroller is fed into a transistor where it undergoes signal amplification to drive the relay, and depending upon the input signal, relay will switch on and off, which causes light to switch on and off.
Now Vicky is in smart house mode, in which it will control the lights through voice commands. Vicky, switch on the light.
Light switching on, sir.
Vicky, switch off the light.
Light switching off, sir.
Vicky, switch on the light.
Light switching on, sir.
Vicky, switch off the light.
Light switching off, sir.
Thank you.
Education and research mode.
Starting education and research mode.
Vicky, start Google search.
Starting Google search. Sir, I have few YouTube video related to your search topic. Would you like to see them?
Show videos.
Opening YouTube, sir.
Vicky, show weather updates. Wiki, show weather updates.
Displaying weather update.
Wiki, what are the news updates?
Searching news updates on web.
Wiki, terminate education mode.
Terminating education and research mode. Hello, sir. Good to see you at work. Please define my operation mode.
Wiki, you there?
At your service, sir.
Entertainment mode.
Starting entertainment mode. Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Wiki, I am getting bored.
Hello, sir. Please tell me what can I do to entertain you. Shall I play your favorite songs or movie?
Wiki, start my favorite movie.
Starting Iron Man movie.
Start the virtual walk around.
Importing preferences and calibrating virtual environment.
Check on control surfaces.
As you wish.
Wiki, play my favorite music.
Favorite song.
Someday we gonna rise up from that wind.
Terminate entertainment mode.
This project is entirely a new concept where a single application can be used for various operations. This type of interactive system can have a great applications in various engineering as well as non-engineering fields. Exoskeleton concept with Wiki can contribute to defense and military forces.